Come to be my Cinderella, straight to my wishing well. And you're the one I'll always cherish. Come to be my Cinderella, straight to my wishing well. And you're the one I love forever.
Hi girls, it's Lauren Day and welcome to my Colourpop Disney Designer Cinderella makeup tutorial. This makeup tutorial features the Disney Designer It's a Princess Thing palette. It is a beautiful palette. This step-by-step makeup tutorial also features the Lux Lipstick from Colourpop in the shade Cinderella. This is a beautiful medium pink. So if you'd like to know how to get a beautiful princess-inspired pink look like this, then keep on watching. My Disney Princess Cinderella Colourpop makeup look. What you will need to create this Disney inspired look is the Disney Designer It's a Princess Thing palette, the Lux Lipstick in Cinderella, the Disney Designer Ultra Glossy Lip in Boo, the Super Shock shadow in the shade Be Our Guest, and your favorite Colourpop brushes. So let's get started. To start this look, I'm using Brighten. It is a sandy brown shade with a golden hue to it, and I'm going to be using this with a pencil brush to define my eyebrows. I find using an eyeshadow with a pencil brush is the most flattering, natural look for my eyebrows, and I'm simply just brushing out the product to make it look more natural. Next, I'm applying concealer directly from the wand, and I'm going to be applying this just above my eyebrows, and this is going to help define the shape of my brows. And I'm just going to pat the product in with my fingers. For my transition shade, I'm using Grumpy, which is a matte dusty pink. I'm using the Colourpop Tapered blending brush, and I'm applying this just to the crease using windshield wiper motions, just back and forth to work the product into the crease. The next shade is a matte rosy pink. It's called Juju, and I'm applying this with the same brush just above where we applied Grumpy to blend out that transition color and add a pop of pink. Poison Apple is a metallic pinky violet, and I'm using this with the same brush, applying it to the crease and concentrating the color on the outer V. Pressing the product onto the eye with your brush first and then using your back and forth blending motion will give you a better colour payoff and a more pigmented look. This brush is great to get a soft blended look because the brush is tapered. Dipping back into Poison Apple, I'm just going to intensify the outer V by placing a little bit more colour and blending it into the crease. It's at this point I use little circular motions to help blend. Using a pencil brush, I am applying more of the Poison Apple just to the outer V to intensify the colour, as this is the focus of this look. Using Colourpop's flat shader brush, I'm using the shade Prince Charming, and I'm applying this as my highlight underneath the brow. Prince Charming is an ivory pearl with a green duochrome, and I'm blending this out with my tapered brush. This metallic coppery gold is called One Kiss, and I'm applying this with my fingertip. Using my fingertip to apply metallic shades directly to my eyelid is one of my favorite techniques. You can apply the product so precisely and it works beautiful with metallic shades like this one. The benefits of using your fingertip instead of a brush is you will get a much better colour payoff and a more pigmented colour. Using our flat blending brush again, we're going to dip into the colour Ray, a beautiful gold champagne colour, to brighten the inner corner of the eyes. This Cinderella look features Triton in the brows, Grumpy and Juju in the crease, Poison Apple as the focus, One Kiss on the eyelid, Prince Charming and Ray as the highlights. Using my favourite black BYS Liquid Liner, I'm just applying a classic wing eyeliner. Let's add some colour to the cheeks. I'm using the Super Shock Shadow in Be Our Guest. With my favourite Furless highlighting brush, I'm just swirling this around in the product and then applying directly to my cheeks, just sweeping the product back and making a fishy face. Using Colourpop's small detail brush, the F12, I'm dipping into the colour Ray and I'm applying this as my highlight. This is a great highlighting brush. The eyeshadow colour Ray is a beautiful metallic champagne and it's an absolute perfect shade to use as a highlighter. I think it's flattering on so many skin tones, and I apply this a little bit on the nose, on the high points of my cheeks, down the centre of my face, and a little bit on the cupid's bow. And blending with my finger for a more natural look. I'm using the Disney Designer Cinderella shade for this look, and it is a beautiful medium pink. A Cinderella look wouldn't be complete without a gorgeous pink lipstick, and this is definitely a Lauren shade. The limited edition Ultra Glossy Lip in the shade Boo is absolutely perfect with this lipstick. It is a glossy rosy pink and it is so pretty. Girls, let's add some drama to this look. Grab your favorite mascara and just apply a few coats to the top lashes. Applying just the mascara to the top lashes will add a bit more dramatic flair, and you'll be able to bat those eyelashes just like a princess. Before my mascara has a chance to dry, I'm using a disposable mascara wand just to brush out my eyelashes to ensure that I have no clumps. So there we have it, girls, a makeup look fit for a princess. This look is really wearable for every day and you feel really pretty and glamorous. My Disney Princess Cinderella Colourpop makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I would love for you to consider subscribing to this channel. You'll be notified if you hit the bell next to the subscribe button when I upload my next video. I love you princesses so much. A princess kiss from me to you, and I will see you girls in my next video.
Come to be my Cinderella, straight to my wishing well, and you're the one I'll always cherish. Come to be my Cinderella, straight to my wishing well, and you're the one I love forever.